Welcome to my channel. Today we will see class 10 NCERT chapter number 1 real numbers exemplar problems. If P and Q are prime positive integers, prove that root P plus root Q is an irrational. So we have to prove square root of P plus square root of Q is an irrational when P and Q are a prime number. Yeah, it is definitely very easy to go because we know that if you are taking any prime number like 2, 3 and 5 you are taking now, square root of any prime number is irrational. We know because already I given like this one video. Okay, this is irrational we know. So this is also irrational, this is also irrational. So square root of any prime number is definitely irrational. So this only we need to prove in a general way, because we don't have, they given P and Q, not numbers. Understand? Right. Now we'll go. So I'm going to prove through the contradiction part. Means they asked to prove irrational. I'm going to assume this a rational. So let us assume the root P plus root Q is rational numbers. So likewise I'm assuming. Then after assumed this, then what you will get it? Rational number in the sense definitely it will form like P by Q. So here we have P and Q now, so that some other number I'm taking, that is root P plus root Q, which is equal to A by B I'm using, where A and B are integer here, where A comma B are integers and co-prime in the sense there is no common factor other than 1. For A and B, there is no common factor other than 1. That is the meaning co-prime. Understand? Okay. Now, just we'll take a square on both sides, because what is that? I assumed as a rational only. So the opposite part we need to bring, so that any from this two number, any one number you can take it. I'm going to take P. Left side you can keep it, and remaining you can send to opposite. So A by B minus plus value goes to opposite minus Q. Now we can take square on both sides. Square on both sides. Okay. After squaring, what you will get it? So square root of P the whole square, which is equal to A by B minus Q the whole square. So here the square and root will cancel, so you will get P only. But here this is like a x minus y the whole square. Okay, then what you will get it? The formula x minus y whole square. Now we know what is that? X square plus y square minus 2xy. So this formula I'm going to use. Okay, where x value is A by B and y value is root Q. Understand? So x square in the sense A by B the whole square plus y square in the sense root Q the whole square minus 2xy. X value A by B and y value root Q. Okay, now we can simplify this. We'll get the required one. Okay. The square is common for both numerator and denominator, so that A square divide B square plus the square and the root will cancel, so just Q you will get it, and minus 2A by B, just I'm multiplying into root Q we have. So this root value only we need. Then we have this is a negative, so if you bring this value into opposite, now you will get in positive. So that I'm bringing this value 2A B root Q. I bring this value into left hand side, and this P you can send to opposite. Now A square divide B square plus q, and this p goes to opposite minus p. Understand? Now I'm going to take like a cross multiple or LCM, whatever. So a square, like LCM I'm taking b square, then the b square will multiple in this two number, so plus qb square minus pb square. Okay, now this side we have 2ab divided b into root q, so we need only root q on the left hand side. Understand? So that remaining value you can say opposite. Before that, denominator b square, so that will cancel one time and here one time. Okay, so what is the remaining? And this 2a numerator value goes to opposite now, it will come in a denominator. So root q which is equal to a square plus q b square minus p b square divide, we have here b, this 2a goes to opposite, this 2a goes to opposite, you will get in the denominator, it will multiple with the b. Okay, now I told you already a and b are integer I said. So integer, if you square and add and multiplication, if you divide now, you will get some rational only. Then this is the rational. This is rational now. I mean the right answer is the rational, then left also rational. Okay. Now you can write what I said now. So therefore a square plus qb square minus pb square divided 2ab is rational. Is rational because a comma b are integers. Okay, so this is integers. Then so right hand side is a rational na? This value equal to the left hand side, then this also rational, then root q is also rational. But our assumption is wrong because they said clearly p and q is a prime number, they said. Then square root of any prime number we know is a irrational. Okay, but root q is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. What we assumed, that is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Understand? Hence root p plus root q is irrational. Why I am writing this word is irrational? Because we assumed root p plus root q. This root p and root q we assumed as a rational. Then we step by step we got what is that root q is a rational. But we know definitely root q is a irrational because they said already q is a prime number. Square root of any prime number definitely we know is a irrational. So that definitely we got a wrong answer only. Why we got wrong answer? Because wrongly we assumed. So that only we got wrong answer. So that only I am telling our assumption is wrong. So that what they given root p and root q is irrational only. Nothing changed. Understand? Thank you. I hope you will understand. If you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.